The Ritz Carlton name is known for refined living, five-star service, and unmatched prestige. In Boston, there are now 2 Ritz Carlton Residences that embody this legacy. The original Ritz Carlton Residences, built in 2001, sits steps from the Boston Common and delivers classic elegance and some of the most desired views of the city. Fast forward to 2025, and a new chapter begins with the next-generation Ritz Carlton Residences at South Station Tower, bringing bold, modern luxury to the heart of downtown with elevated design and an entirely reimagined lifestyle experience. In this video, we're comparing old versus new, diving into location, homes, amenities, pricing, and what makes each of these Ritz-Carlton branded high-rise properties unique. Before we start, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a residential real estate advisor here in Boston. I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you have any questions about these homes, other luxury buildings, or Boston real estate in general, please message me anytime. My contact information is here on screen and in the video description below. Both the Ritz-Carlton South Station Tower at 700 Atlantic Ave and the original Ritz-Carlton Residences at Boston Common feature some of the most exclusive and desired homes in Boston. These luxurious residences offer 5-star hotel amenities, world-class service, and exquisite private homes, attracting high-net-worth buyers from around the globe seeking the best Boston has to offer. With some of the best views in the city, top-tier finishes, and centrally located, these condos consistently command some of the highest price points in the Boston real estate market. First, looking at the original Ritz-Carlton Residences at 1, 2, and 3 Avery Street, situated in Boston's Midtown neighborhood, adjacent to the Boston Common and within walking distance of the Theater District and Financial District. Developed by Millennium Partners and completed in 2001, these residences offer 365 luxury condominiums across 2 towers and 193 Ritz-Carlton hotel guest rooms. The buildings were designed by Handel Architects, featuring a modern glass and stone facade that complements the surrounding urban landscape. Tower 1, located at 1 Avery Street, rises to 475 feet with 38 stories, while Tower 2 at 2 Avery Street stands at 446 feet with 36 stories. The towers feature a modern design with granite and glass facades, characterized by prismatic forms and metal canopies that mark primary entries. The architectural composition creates a dynamic gateway between the Boston Common and Washington Street, with the stone-clad towers bracketing Avery Street 75 feet apart, reinforcing the threshold experience between the open expanse of the Common and the embedded density of Washington Street. In recent years, the lobbies at 1 and 2 Avery Street have undergone significant renovations to enhance the resident experience. These updates include modern design elements, reflecting the commitment to maintaining the residence's luxury standards. The Ritz-Carlton Residences' prime location offers immediate access to Boston's cultural and commercial hubs. The nearby Boston Common and Public Garden provide green spaces for recreation, while Newbury Street's luxury boutiques and the city's renowned theaters are just a short walk away. Proximity to major MBTA stations, including Boylston and Park Street Station, ensures convenient transportation throughout the city. Now looking at the newest addition to the Boston skyline, the Ritz-Carlton South Station Tower, located at 700 Atlantic Ave in downtown, is a 51-story architectural landmark rising to a height of 678 feet. Positioned directly above South Station, one of the city's major transportation hubs, this striking skyscraper serves as the centerpiece of the South Station Air Rights project. Designed by internationally acclaimed Pelly Clark and Partners, the tower combines sleek modern design with sensitivity to the historic 1899 South Station headhouse, which it gracefully rises behind. Developed by Hines in partnership with Boston Global Investors, the project broke ground in 2020 and is expected to be fully complete, move-in ready late 2025, with units currently selling. The building features a gleaming glass curtain wall with sculptural contours contributing a dynamic silhouette to Boston's skyline. In total, the tower includes 166 Ritz-Carlton branded residences occupying the upper floors, while lower levels are designated for Class A office space. There is no hotel component in the building. This prominent, mixed-use development not only refines Boston's Southern Gateway, but also sets a new benchmark for vertical integration of transportation, commercial, and residential use in the city. This premier location offers immediate access to Amtrak, MBTA Red and Silver lines, commuter rail, and bus terminals, making it the most transit-connected site in Boston. Positioned between the Seaport District, Downtown Crossing, and Fort Point, the tower anchors a key intersection of Boston's commercial and cultural zones, while offering unmatched connectivity to regional and national destinations. Now, comparing the homes, the interiors of the Ritz-Carlton residences at 1, 2, and 3 Avery Street epitomize sophistication, offering a diverse range of layouts and high-end finishes that cater to discerning tastes. Units span from approximately 637 square feet for one-bedroom configurations to expansive penthouses exceeding 4,700 square feet, providing options suitable for various lifestyles. Each residence features floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the interiors with natural light and offer panoramic views of Boston Common, the Charles River, and city skyline, depending on unit orientation and level. The living areas are adorned with Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, adding warmth to the space. Kitchens are equipped with pog and pole cabinetry, granite countertops, and top-of-the-line appliances from Sub-Zero, Viking, and Miele, ensuring both functionality and style. Bathrooms are appointed with imported marble finishes, offering a spa-like retreat within the home. Select units boast additional features such as private balconies or terraces, providing outdoor space in the heart of the city. The residences also include central air conditioning, in-unit laundry, and ample closet space, ensuring comfort and convenience. The penthouse units elevate luxury living with soaring ceilings, custom design layouts, and panoramic views. These exclusive residences often include multiple ensuite bedrooms, expansive living and dining areas, and bespoke finishes throughout. Now, looking at the interiors of the new Ritz-Carlton residences at South Station Tower, which represent the pinnacle of modern luxury, with a design philosophy centered on light, scale, and precision craftsmanship. Spanning the uppermost 16 floors of a 51-story tower, these 166 private residences were designed by Jeffrey Beers International to offer a refined, contemporary living experience above the city. Residences range from elegant junior one-bedrooms to sprawling duplex penthouses, each crafted to showcase sweeping views of the city. Full-height windows flood each home with natural light and frame panoramic vistas that include Boston Harbor, the Seaport, Back Bay, Beacon Hill, and the city skyline, all unobstructed as the units begin so high up in the tower. Layouts are open and fluid, with seamless transitions between living, dining, and kitchen spaces. The kitchens are a focal point of each home, outfitted with sleek Italian cabinetry, polished Calacatta gold marble countertops and backsplashes, in a full suite of Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, carefully integrated for a streamlined look. Waterfall edge islands, under cabinet lighting, and concealed storage add a layer of functional elegance. Living spaces are designed with wide plank oak floors and neutral palettes that create a calm, sophisticated backdrop for personalization. Primary bedrooms offer generous proportions, custom closet systems, and soft, indirect lighting to enhance the sense of retreat. Bathrooms feature radiant heated marble floors, stone-tiled walls, floating vanities with integrated lighting, and wet room-style showers with rain heads and soaking tubs in select residences. Every element reflects the meticulous attention to detail expected from the Ritz-Carlton brand. Select units include private balconies, particularly in corner and penthouse residences, offering outdoor space with commanding views. Ceiling heights range from 9 to over 12 feet, depending on floor level, and the upper penthouses feature double-height volumes and gallery walls ideal for art collections. Now, looking at amenities, starting with the original Ritz-Carlton on Boston Common, which comes with the services you would expect from a 5-star hotel. Residents have access to on-call maintenance and maid service, ensuring their homes are functional and clean at all times. Additionally, the option of room service brings the luxury of hotel-style dining directly to the owner's doorstep, offering a seamless dining experience within the comforts of your own residence. The concierge will book appointments, handle deliveries, and bring up your car from the valet or self-park garage. Every unit comes with a landline with direct contact to the concierge. On the first floor of Tower 2 and across the street from Tower 1, Equinox Fitness Center is of easy access to residents and offers state-of-the-art facilities. These include cutting-edge fitness equipment and expert personal trainers. Residents at 2 Avery Street can press the gym button in the elevator and are instantly at the #1 rated gym in Boston. Now at South Station Tower, each residence is extended by the vast array of amenities located in the building. For an escape from the city, residents will enjoy access to the 11th floor Sky Park, which is nearly an acre of landscaped green space set 120 feet in the sky. Multiple lobbies provide an elegant arrival and departure experience. All entrances will lead residents directly to the private 11th floor grand lobby, which exudes sophistication. The 9th floor terrace restaurant offers indoor and outdoor seating. 450 feet above the city, on the 36th floor, the private club features 15,000 plus square feet of exclusive indoor and outdoor resort-style amenities exclusively for residents. Unique to South Station Tower, the 11th floor, nearly 1 acre Sky Park, designed by award-winning OGB landscape architecture, invites residents to relax in a verdant oasis 120 feet above the city. This richly programmed, ample green space promotes wellness and relaxation. The club at South Station Tower is dedicated to several amenity spaces intended for owners' use and enjoyment, including a state-of-the-art fitness center with treatment rooms and saunas. Just outside, an outdoor lounge abuts the 75-foot-long pool with private lounges, barbecue areas, and outdoor seating. Meanwhile, gatherings can take place in the social suite, observatory, and professional-grade chef's kitchen. Owners can play pool or poker in the social suite, or spend the afternoon in the immersive sports simulator. Residents will have access to numerous workout options, all available in one place. In the social suite, the concierge can plan resident gatherings. With ample seating and an open kitchen layout, this is a space for indoor and outdoor celebrations, gatherings, or special dinners. On the West Terrace, residents can relax on the sofas by a fireplace. The crown jewel of the club is the double-height observatory, where residents can enjoy year-round group events. Tables for two line the curved glass wall with panoramic views of Boston and beyond. Looking at pricing, both associations contain some of the most premier homes in the city, resulting in prices spanning up to $15 million. At the Ritz Carlton Boston Common, pricing varies by unit size, interior improvements, and orientation within the building. One-bedroom units are typically priced from $750,000 to $1.2 million. Two-bedroom residences span between $1 and $2.7 million. Three-bedroom units and over span between $1.8 and $11 million. The average price per square foot here is approximately $1,250 based on recent sales data. In contrast, the Ritz-Carlton South Station Tower represents a newer addition to Boston's luxury residential market, commanding higher price points. Junior one-bedrooms start at around $1.2 million. One-bedroom units start at approximately $1.3 million. Two-bedroom residences begin around $2.6 million, and 3- and 4-bedroom units are priced starting at $4.9 million, with penthouse units going up to $15 million. When choosing between the original Ritz-Carlton Residences on Boston Common and the new Ritz-Carlton South Station Tower, there are several factors to consider. First is price. The original Ritz-Carlton offers lower prices per square foot, making it more affordable upfront. However, that comes with trade-offs, particularly in amenities. Location is another consideration. The original Ritz enjoys a better overall location, situated directly on Boston Common and close to the Theater District, Back Bay, and Downtown Crossing. That said, Avery Street, where the towers are located, can get quite busy and backed up with traffic at times. Still, it's a more vibrant and walkable setting compared to the South Station Tower, which is perched above a major transit hub and better suited for more frequent travelers or commuters. Views tend to favor South Station due to the greater height and harbor-facing orientation of the new tower. Lastly, condo fees are substantially higher at the original Ritz, which can significantly affect long-term cost and value. Deciding between the two will come down to individual preferences and needs. Of course, I'm always available to discuss and help you figure out which option is the better fit based on your individual preferences, lifestyle, and long-term goals. Overall, both properties are fantastic and deliver an ultra-luxury living experience in the sky. If you're interested in offerings available for sale or rent in either of these buildings, please message, email, or call me anytime. Offering a white glove, concierge level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condo buildings, such as the ones we looked at today. However, I do work in all price points and am ready to assist. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think in the comments below, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate, property tours, and building reviews.